You would swear there are no dreadlocks underneath this beautiful.
He say he hungry, this pussy the kitchen. Yeah, that's my dog, he gon' sit down and listen. Call him a trick and he gon' get up in him. He know he giving his money to Megan. He know it's very expensive to date me. Told him go put my name on that account because when I need money, I'm tryna holler. He know he.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Meg if you're new here. But if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back to the channel. Today we are installing this beautiful unit from Yolissa 13x4. And I am so excited to be sharing it with you guys and show you guys how I install underneath my dreadlocks, because the girly likes things, the girly loves things. This is their pre-plucked, pre-bleached wig. It's a curly hair, obviously, as you can see. I'm so obsessed. I love everything about it. And yeah, watch me. It is so good. It's human hair, 100% human hair. I'm obsessed. I look yummy. I look delicious. So let's just get into it and let me teach you how to do your own thing.
When they say she get it from her mama, I'ma say you fuck her right. Body rude is unpolite. Tell me in the home, but tell me is you down? Cause I'm trying to go good tonight. Only hope you slept right. I just wanna fit in a fantasy. I think we deserve it by her minute ecstasy. The ladies is pink. Say where the love is like. My back, but you good. I look fly. I look too good. Put that on mama. Oh my good. I look fly. I look good. You can't touch my back, but you good. I look. I'm so deep in my bag, like a grandma with a peppermint. They say, oh, she smell good. That's just cause I'm heaven sent. Sex game, no stupid. Stopping like a cupid. Gotta tell the truth. Your opinion is irrelevant. Fly, I look good. You can't touch my bag, but you good. I look fly. I look fly. I look good. You can't touch my bag, but you good. I look